Nicer day than I thought today. The sun is out and is tweaking a little bit. Just hanging out with the dog, and also patching up a little hole on the side of the cabin where some, well, it's probably chipmunks at first, but the mice have also gotten in. So just patching that up and yeah, sort of enjoying the day. Bit of a wind today, so I'm not going to be really checking out the hives today because they're the temperature is above zero, but yeah, a little bit too windy, a little chilly for the bees. So this is what they've done is there was already a bit of a knot in this bit of a batten here. So anyways, I'm replacing this. One other thing, I accidentally flattened my wood shelter, which is a bit unfortunate, but it's kind of funny in a way. I was cutting down a tree, small tree, and I missed by a couple of feet. I'll show you the stump. Whammo blammo, flat wood shelter. Bad aim. It happens. What are you gonna do? And that's fine because I was it was ugly and I was planning to move it to a different spot anyways last summer. So there's my project for this spring. It's almost sugaring season. Another couple weeks. The temperatures have just warmed up. So yeah, looking forward to making some maple syrup up here with my doggy. And yeah, happy off-gridding. Nice day to be out in the woods.